Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the Nokia 110 4G. So to turn it on, you want to press this button here, which is the power button, with one long hold press until you see the Nokia sign. Like that. Then you can let go of the button. We'll hear the traditional Nokia sound, like that, and then that will be the Nokia 110 4G turned on. To turn it off, you want to one long hold press on the same button. We'll hear that traditional Nokia sound, and then that will be the Nokia 110 4G turned off. So that's how to turn on or turn off the Nokia 110 4G. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.